Hello, today I come from Churchfields Farm. It's a dairy farm and they have got the cows behind me in the pumpkin field, and there's a special event on today, a pre-Christmas event with lots of stalls, so I'm going to have a look. It's a pound entry today, and I've been here a few times to collect milk from the machine because they put in their fresh milk into this machine and you bring your little bottle and you fill it up. They've got a lovely cafe and they sell gorgeous Churchfields ice cream, which I think I mentioned once before. So yes, let's go and have an investigate and look at these gorgeous cows. Aren't these cows just beautiful? Swinging their tails, happily munching on the hay. And a bit of pumpkin, I think. By the way, it's not true that when cows sit down it's going to rain. They sit down because they're tired, according to a friend of mine. Just as we do.
Yeah, that's it. That's
Let's go and find these stalls. My friend helps out at Food Bank. I wonder if she'll be here today. This is Farmhouse Design and Crafts, selling all sorts of lovely things at this fete. What does it say? It's a fete. It's a Christmas thing, isn't it? A Christmas event.
In aid of Lily's trip to Costa Rica next year.
Oh, is it?
Action research from school in July 25. So we've done all this ready for that.
Oh, how lovely. What a lovely thing to do. Oh, well done. I'll have a look at your item.
0 or 5. Whoever ends in the 0 or 5, and you get a prize.
real. Thank you. Have a good day. Take care.
Folks. And she's going to make something for me.
There we go. Fizzy and foamy potion kit. Potion making kit.
Just for fun?
Just for fun. But they're toy safe and bath safe as well, so they can go in the bath too.
Oh, right, yeah, brilliant. It's a sort of an inventive idea, isn't it?
Thank you. It's really good fun. This little guy, this little snowman, he makes a lovely little snow globe.
Oh, wow.
And these make hanging tree decorations.
Oh, thank you very much. Brilliant. Thank you. I'll just carry on. Merry Christmas. These little kits. Can we get you online? If anybody wants to look for you online.
Fizzpots.co.uk.
Fizzpots.co.uk. Brilliant.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Here's me asking if she's online, and there's a great big poster next to me, and she offers all sorts of parties. So if you're interested, folks, and you're local, then here we are. Look at the artwork on these candles. I couldn't believe how lovely they were, and they stood out to me, so I actually bought one. I bought the Worcestershire one, and I'll show it you later. These are handcrafted from recycled plastics and bottles, and you can get these from Paula's Thistlefinch Village, and she's available online. I spoke to Paula and she's given me a sheet, so I'm going to read it out. It says, "Hi, I'm Paula. I'm the creator of Thistlefinch Village. The first model that I made was during the first lockdown. I've always had a love of all things crafting, trying out many different techniques over the years. But as we know, things were difficult during the pandemic and supplies were not always available. So I looked at what I had in my craft stash and had a play. I always have a plenty of glues, including the glue gun, but card was a problem, hence using packaging. Having built my first one, the lodge, I became totally hooked and Thistlefinch was born. I picture the village nestled between some hills with rocky outcrops leading down to the sea. It's a place where people and fantasy creatures all live side by side, happily together. My husband has called me a womble on many occasions as I grab a box or bottle from the recycling bin. The models are painted with acrylic paint and then varnished. They're showerproof but unlikely to withstand heavy weather, so not suitable for outside use. Most of them are lit with LED lighting using a 9-volt battery. To clean them, use a soft paintbrush or a vacuum with a little small nozzle. And you can see more of my techniques by following me on Paula's Thistlefinch Village on Facebook. This is the denim upcycler. Look at these things made out of denim. Little purses. For your lips, so you can hold your lip salve. For your pens. Lovely little tote bag. And you can find her on here. I know this lady and she's part of Laser Creative, and look what she's offering, all these wonderful things. Tell us a bit about it.
Well, we have a laser cutter at home and basically we cut everything here. All the designs are unique. They're designs by my husband, and basically you can put any name that you want, and it's particularly good if your child or grandchild has got an unusual spelling, because we can basically put any name that you like on there.
Fabulous. Let me have a look. Just watch, see what we can find. Oh, aren't they sweet?
And you can do things for your pets, cats and dogs.
And can we get you on? We can get. I've just put it, haven't I? lasercreative.co.uk. Superb. Look at these intricate items cut out. And it's wood, is it?
It's wood,
Yeah. And fancy Christmas labels, gift tag. This is 76 silver, Ruth Dodwell contemporary jewellery. And here she is. And we've met before in Malvern, and we might see her tomorrow. I looked you up on Facebook last time because you said you told me to go and look at places.
Oh,
Yes. Beautiful piece. And people can contact you on Facebook.
Facebook, Instagram, I'm on Etsy as well. So.
Brilliant. Mrs. B Crafts by Julie B. And here's Julie B. And she provides all these beautiful seasonal items. And these are the Christmas items. Handmade by herself. And you can get her on Etsy and at local trade events. Here's Little Moo Baby, all these lovely little tops. I've seen them before at local craft events. Nice little titles, Happy Little Human, Cuteness Overload, and some festive tops as well. This is handmade birch designs, custom personalised and handcrafted jewellery. And you can get them on handmadebirchdesigns.co.uk, and their handle for Instagram is handmadebirchdesigns. And look at the lovely items they've got. And beautifully packaged. And presumably, you're selling all these beautiful hand-knitted items.
All hand-knitted, teddies are hand-knitted, octopuses, worryworms, everything here is hand-knitted.
And have you made it, or is it
called knits?
You're called... Oh wow, lovely.
So K Nickel,
K Nickel.
as in nickel, knits.
Nickel Knits. And you are Karen. And do you knit them all, or is this a group of friends?
I knit them all.
Oh, lovely. Aren't they lovely?
Thank you.
And people can contact you on...
They can find me on Nickel Knits
Okay, excellent.
on Facebook.
Lovely, thank you very much.
Thank you.
So I'm just walking around the stalls, and here's an empty section where they obviously let children play. Because there's some sand castle area. Doesn't look like it, but I'll just show you. I'll just turn the camera around. So this is Marbeck Village, and you can find Marbeck Village on Etsy.com, and all these nice little cards and mugs with maps, local maps, and pubs as well. Coasters, shipping forecast, and aviation. Have Cart House Crafts, Melissa, I take it.
Yes, I am, Melissa.
And she's on Facebook and Instagram. And here is the card, which is carthousecrafts.co.uk. And she designs these beautiful crafts with flowers within, is it a Perspex? Resin.
Yeah. So I can put your bridal flowers in.
Bridal flower displays into a resin. How lovely.
Yes.
That's a unique gift then, isn't it? And a handbag as well.
Oh, the handbags are amazing, yes.
And the beads.
Yes.
Thank you very much. So here we have Ted and B, and there's all sorts of nice little gifts, from cards to knick-knacks. Look at these gorgeous reindeer. And people can get you on tedandb.com. tedandb.com, folks. Oh, it's all right. Just on the way out, and there's a little gate where you can come and see the cows a bit closer. They're really loudly munching their pumpkins. Back from Churchfields Farm event, and here's my loot. I got 3 of these, sparkly. You can either put them in your hair or clip them to an item that you've got, which I think for £1 was great value. So I got a brown and a gold, and in the bag I've just seen they put some love hearts. Oh, sweet. I also, because there was a charity organising money on the first stand I went to, I bought some St Evil candles. Now I love St Evil candles, I burn them all the time. So I bought those. They're only tiny, but they're lovely. And obviously I bought my lovely candle, which I've just talked to you, from House of Edgemond. Oh, it smells absolutely delightful. I haven't lit it yet, but it smells delightful. And I'm also, from friends of ours, my son played hockey with another man's son, from Laser Creative. We know them in the town. I bought some earrings, and they do silver and gold backings, but I'm happy with the silver, and they shall go with my Christmas jumper, so I'm pleased with those. Yeah, and I've just walloped down the half of the lemon slice cake and the Bakewell tart, and I've just had breakfast as well before I left. I was just desperate to have a cup of tea and something sweet. It's naughty, isn't it? But hey, after my chocolate cake this week, I think I was craving more, so I'm going to have to rein that in, get back on track. Treat occasionally is nice though, isn't it? I bought the Worcestershire Black Pear and Freesia natural soy wax candle with wooden wick, inspired by the black Worcester pear, with that lovely artwork on the middle. And they said to me, once you open the candle, the box inside has a picture of the map, so I'm going to have a look. So just opening the box, this is what it looks like inside. And oh gosh, you've got the map, as they say. And you can scan the code below to discover the full collection. Oh, that looks nice. It says top tips for looking after your candle. Light your wick from the base, ensuring the wick is fully lit. Burn your candle for 3 to 4 hours on the first burn, ensuring the wax pool reaches the edge of the glass. Trim your wick before each burn to ensure optimum burn height, and keep your candle away from drafts to avoid decreased burn time and reduced scent throw. Oh, that's a good tip. I don't normally cut the wick, but there's the wick. It's a straight one. Lovely. It's got a lovely smell. Of November. Yesterday was misty, but today we have snow, and it's snowing at the moment in the UK, in parts of the UK anyway. So if you don't get snow where you are, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. I'm here at the Chateau Impey today, day after snow, and I'm trying to avoid all the traffic. It's quite a noisy road next to it, and I can't get in towards the chateau because they've got gates all the way around. But I'm going to see if I can walk a bit further up. I've been talking to a sheep, so it's a very Christmassy scene, I can tell you. Let's see what we can see. that's the closest I'm going to get to the chateau today. It's got borders all the way around because they're renovating it, I believe. And I'm hoping that when I'm 60 in a year's time, they're going to have it open, because I'd love to have afternoon tea there. I've always wanted to go. So you never know. Castles and palaces all sound nice to me. Sorry about the noise in the background, it's rather noisy. Just stocking up on my vitamins. Turmeric for inflammation. And I've got vitamin D3, but I didn't have the K2 with it. So I'm going to make sure that I have that. Even though I've just read on another YouTube site that you should have D3 in the morning and K2 on the night. And yet somebody else says have it together. So very confusing information. But anyway, I'll knock it back. Oh, good. I'll just lift the camera up. Just got these they're travel clear plastic makeup bags and toiletry bags. They've got an aeroplane on, not that I'm going anywhere. But I just wanted to keep my makeup bottles clean, so I got 3 of them from Amazon. Link below if you're interested. But yeah, apparently they're you're able to use them on aircraft. So there, it's quite a useful tip because I've never known what bags you're meant to bring on board. Thanks for watching, everyone. See you again next week, and please like and subscribe, and if you can put a comment in that little comment box, it helps me. So why not put the word candle, and I'll see you again next week. See you soon.